Yeah, hi Blake and Mel. I just thought I'd do a quick video. This is just really just to find out the tiling in the house, and the reason why it's important is on the 6th of Jan when the plumber comes in, especially on the walls, the plumbing fixtures are often set out so that they're either center of tile or on the tile line. So we often need two things. We need the size of the tiles used on the walls, whether they 600 by 600 or 300 by 300 or subway tiles or whatever. It's the size of the tile as well as which walls get tiles and where. So I'll go through this video. Hopefully, if you guys couldn't open it, the kids have shown you how to open it. Cheeky bugger. Um, but I'll go through this video and I'll show you where I think tiles should be, and then if you could just let me know whether you agree, and then really the size of the tiles is really a personal preference. Honestly, you have to actually go to Tile Warehouse or Tile Space and have a look at and see what you really like. So I'll just run through where I think the tile should go, um, and then we'll go from there. So really, this room, the floor's polished. I would do timber skirtings on the floor, so timber skirtings on the floor. The only small area I'd do tiles is this where the vanity is, the back of the vanity. That's option one, or option two is you tile the entire wall. That's what typically people would do. Moving over to the kitchen, um, possibly the kitchen splashback, whatever space, because this is an old drawing, whatever spaces between the kitchen bench and the underside of the cabinetry would be the kitchen splashback. That's pretty much a given if you are going to do it in tiles or a glass splashback or some sort of other material. But that's if you were tiling, that's where that would go. That's fine. The laundry, again, I would say would just be the wall, the splashback. So from the bench up to the underside of any overhead storage. If you don't have any overhead storage, it might just be a small splashback. So probably just look at what tiles you would like for that space. So you've got the kitchen splashback, you've got the laundry splashback, you've got a tiny splashback above the vanity. Yeah, just start having a look at that. Now, the bathroom, you would always do this whole entire wall. I would probably do this whole entire wall, floor to ceiling, rather than just the shower area. It often looks pretty good. And then you either have to have a splashback above the vanity as option one, or option two would be that you just do the whole entire wall through there. So you've basically got this and this happening, and you leave the window wall. Pretty easy. Um, Isla's room, you would um, you would do the whole shower enclosure as a minimum. Obviously you'd tile all up in there. Then what I would probably do, just because you are going to be walking in from this direction, I would actually tile this whole wall. It would just it would just be a much neater transition as you come in. That whole space is tiled, and then it's again the whole principle. Do you just do a small section above the vanity as a splashback, or do you actually just tile the whole entire room, the whole entire wall, just leaving that wall? So those are your kind of your options on that ground floor. So really, yeah, look at what type of tiles you like, and then it's the size of the tiles and the location of the tiles. Upstairs, obviously the floor gets done, and I would say you would probably do it's yeah, again it's the option shower as a minimum. Um, I would do I would do this whole entire wall because you need to do that part for the window that you're possibly going to be putting. And you can either stop the tiles there, but just because you will get a bit of water there, I'd probably run the tiles all the way through there, and again just do a small splash back above the vanity, or you fully tile this whole entire back wall floor to ceiling. So yeah, that's probably the only tiled areas. Um, so yeah, have a good think about that. Run it past the old interior designers, and just yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Cheers, Mel. Thanks.